In today's video, I am going to teach you how to forward a domain to Getresponse. To begin, sign in to your Getresponse account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. In the top area of the screen, look for your profile icon. Click that profile icon and then choose Manage Account. This is where Getresponse keeps the settings that control domains and other account-level options. Once you are in the Account Settings area, look to the menu on the left-hand side. Find and click Domains. This section is where you connect a domain you own to Getresponse, so that Getresponse can handle the routing you need. On the Domains page, click Add Domain. You will be asked to enter your domain name. Type your domain carefully, exactly as it is registered. Take a moment to double-check spelling, since a small typo can prevent verification later. After you enter the domain, click Add. Getresponse will then provide name server information for your domain. This is important because name servers tell the internet which service is responsible for your domain's DNS settings. Copy the name server values shown by Getresponse. It helps to keep this page open so you can refer back to it. Next, open a new browser tab and log in to your domain registrar account. In this example, the registrar is Namecheap, but the process is similar with most registrars. Locate the domain you want to connect and go into its DNS or name server settings. In the name server section, select the option for custom name servers. You will then paste in the name server values you copied from Getresponse. Make sure you paste each value into the correct field and do not add extra spaces. If your registrar has more fields than you need, leave the unused ones blank. After you have entered the name servers, click Save in your registrar. Changes to name servers can take some time to update across the internet, so do not worry if it does not work instantly. Now go back to Getresponse and verify the domain. Click the Verify option for the domain you added, and allow a little time if it does not confirm right away. Once verification completes, your domain is successfully connected to Getresponse, and that covers everything you need to know.